All right, how's it going, guys? This is my trade recap from New York session today. Really clean execution. I think it looks pretty identical to my trade earlier on this week and was just simply looking for a continuation. Unfortunately, at this area here, didn't quite get the pullback I was looking for. And then at around the 30-minute candle open during NYSE Open in New York, we had the 30-minute candle close bullish and pull back, creating a bottom wick here, as you can see. And then just confirmed it with that 1 minute close, which is interesting here on TradingView. My candle on my MT5 closed way above the bearish candle here, but on TradingView, it didn't quite close above. So it's interesting to see that discrepancy, but it happens from broker to broker. But yeah, I did take this 1 minute candle close. I'll show you guys the screenshot right here. So yeah, I had that 1 minute candle close right here. And then as you guys can see, it closed way below, took out the low, closed above. And then I partialed at this high because this 1 minute was really starting to reject after taking this high to the left. So I partialed off half my position there, and then the rest ran to TP. So yeah, overall, really clean trade. All right, so this was pretty much my analysis for today. After the massive sell-off we had in late New York Asia session yesterday, we pretty much were recovering after hitting previous daily lows. So today, unfortunately, the daily bias failed. It hit previous daily low first, which is really interesting. We haven't had daily bias fail in a really long time. The win rate is really high on gold. And after sweeping previous daily lows, we recovered, right? We just started retesting higher. So for New York, I was looking for previous daily high to get filled and was overall looking for this bullish move back up towards previous daily high, like that. So far, within this time, we hadn't got there yet. So I was still bullish on price, but I wanted to manage my position before the daily open here. So zooming in, this was the 30-minute candle close, dropping down on the lower time frames. As you can see on the 15-minute, we had a really bullish 15-minute A2. On the 5-minute, we were just closing higher. We definitely had closed above this range, which was A2, and then another A2 here. So overall, I was just looking for a continuation, but I need to see some sort of like pullback to get in, right? Or else, we didn't really have any pullbacks within these 5 minutes. So I was unable to get in, but this was the general idea here. So going towards my entry here, this is where I was really hoping price would come back at this 30-minute candle. It's a trade I see happen all the time. And I really think this is a high probable trade with the timing of the 30-minute, the 15 and the 5. So yeah, price pulled back here, as you can see on the 30-minute. And then I was just looking for that momentum to continue higher. So this was my entry here. And I was targeting 40 pips like that. And my stop was below this low. And I did take a partial here, as you guys could see on the screenshot. Took a partial because price was kind of rejecting this high. And we were sitting around this key level that I was watching on the 30-minute. So I was like, I'll take a partial there. I'll close half. And yeah, then price drove straight through my take profit, which was really sweet. But yeah, overall, really simple execution. I love this trade continuation. As you guys know, right? Bread and butter. So yeah, I'll go over what I had here. This was a 1 minute close, entry like that. And then this here, I wasn't really using the 5 minute as a 5 minute A2 as much. We did close A2 and A2 here, but this 5 minute, I really want to see the low swept. So that was mostly my Confluence there. We had a 15-minute A2 right here. We also had a 30-minute A2. Oh, sorry, 30-minute A1. 30-minute A1. And just an overall continuation on the higher time frame here. So lots of confluences here. We had pretty much like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time frames align. And I think, that's pretty high probable trade. It's always worth taking. when you have that many confluences on your side. Just stack them up, stack the confluences, right? So yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this trade recap. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And yeah, have a great rest of your session.